Hi guys, welcome to S. Beyond Influence. Today we have a very interesting guest who is a mix of parenting, creativity, and food, who brings her own perspective of playful and innovative flair. It's my pleasure to introduce Rohini Deepthi Nati, who is also the co-founder of Kitki and popularly and affectionately known as the Idli Mama. Hi Rohini, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Priya. That's a lovely intro.
Thank you, glad you thought so. Let's just start with the basic things of you do food related videos.
Right.
You do this parenting related videos.
Little.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Yeah.
సో అసలు ఈ జర్నీ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది? మీకు అసలు కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్ చేయాలి, ఇలా వీడియోస్ పెట్టాలి, ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుండి స్టార్ట్ అయింది?
సో చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఆర్ట్ అనేది భలే ఇష్టం నాకు. బట్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఐ బికేమ్ అన్ ఇంజనీర్. జాబ్ చేసా. జాబ్ వాజ్ టూ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ. ఐ జాయిన్ అ స్టార్ట్అప్.
ఓకే.
స్టార్ట్అప్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి అక్కడ 2 years వర్క్ చేశాక ఇది కూడా ఇట్ డజంట్ సూట్ మీ, ఐ షుడ్ బీ మై ఓన్ బాస్ అని చెప్పి మానేసి ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ మై ఓన్ కంపెనీ. సో కంపెనీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాక అప్పుడు అనుకున్నా బ్రాండ్ని ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి లెట్స్ గెట్ ఆన్ టు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అండ్ ట్రై సంథింగ్ అని చెప్పి. దిస్ వాజ్ లాక్డౌన్ టైమ్. సో మాది మోస్ట్లీ యూఎస్లో ఎక్కువ అయ్యేదన్నమాట సేల్స్. ఇండియాలో ట్రై చేద్దామని చెప్పి ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో వీ స్టార్టెడ్. అండ్ ఇన్ ద మీన్ వైల్ ఎటు స్టార్ట్ చేసాం కదా అని చెప్పి ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ డాక్యుమెంటింగ్ థింగ్స్ దట్ ఐ యూస్ టు డూ విత్ మై సన్. అండ్ అప్పుడు ఇట్ జస్ట్ పిక్డ్ అప్ లైక్ ఆ ఆర్ట్ అనే ఇచ్చేదైతే ఉండిందో ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి క్రియేటివ్ సైడ్ అనేది త్రూ మై సన్ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ అనమాట. వెన్ హీ స్టార్టెడ్ సాలిడ్స్ ఏమన్నా ఫుడ్ టైం మీల్ టైం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా చేయాలి, వీ షుడ్ క్రియేట్ దట్ బాండ్ విత్ ఫుడ్ అని చెప్పి ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అనమాట. అమ్మ చిన్నప్పుడు ఐ రిమెంబర్ యాజ్ అ వెరీ కోర్ మెమరీ, షీ మేడ్ దిస్ క్యాట్ దోసా వన్స్. క్యాట్ షేప్డ్ దోస, నాట్ క్యాట్, క్యాట్ షేప్డ్ దోస చేసింది అమ్మ. అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్, మీ, మై బ్రదర్, సిస్టర్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ సో వివిడ్లీ. లైక్ ఎంత బాగుంటుంది అనుకున్నాం. సో ఐ థాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ లాట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ విత్ మై సన్ ఆల్సో. ఇక్కడ మన క్రియేటివిటీ ఇంకా ప్రదర్శించడం అని చెప్పేసి ఇడ్లీస్ ఇష్టం మా బాబుకి చాలా.
ఇష్టమా?
ఐ నో, బట్ హీ లవ్స్ ఇడ్లీస్. ప్రాబబ్లీ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ అప్పుడు నేను చాలా తిన్నా, చాలా ఇడ్లీస్ చేసుకుని తిన్నా. సో మేబీ హీ స్టార్టెడ్ లైకింగ్, ఐ డోంట్ నో. బట్ టచ్ వుడ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ థింగ్. అండ్ నాకు అట్లాగే ఇడ్లీస్తో సింపుల్ ఆర్ట్తో స్టార్ట్ చేసా. ఈవెన్చువలీ వాట్ ఐ రియలైజ్డ్ వాజ్ అసలు ఎంత మంచి బేస్ ఇది, ఇట్ ఈస్ వైట్ ఇన్ కలర్, ఇంకా ఇందులో కలర్స్ మిక్స్ చేసి పిచ్చెక్కించేద్దామని ఐ స్టార్టెడ్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేసింది మా జర్నీ డాక్యుమెంట్ చేద్దామని. ఎట్లా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో ఫ్రీ మెమరీ కదా, మనం ఎంతన్నా స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు అండ్ డేట్ వైజ్ మంచిగా అది సార్ట్ చేస్తుందని చెప్పి స్టార్ట్ చేసా. బట్ వాట్ ఐ డింట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ వాజ్ అమేజింగ్ రెస్పాన్స్ అనమాట. అప్పట్లో నాకు ఎక్కువ ఫాలోవర్స్ కూడా ఉండేవాళ్ళు కాదు. ఐ థింక్ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎట్ 189. అప్పటి వరకు అంత పోస్ట్ చేసేదాన్ని కాదు. స్లోగా ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ పికింగ్ అప్. పీపుల్ స్టార్టెడ్ లైకింగ్ మై వర్క్. అండ్ ఏదైతే మా బాబు కోసం స్టార్ట్ చేశానో ఇట్ జస్ట్ బ్లూ అప్. ఇట్ బికేమ్ మై థింగ్. లైక్ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ఇట్ సో మచ్. And yeah, that's how eventually became the Idli Mama.
ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. సో మీరు ఇడ్లీది అది చెప్తుంటే నాకు గుర్తొచ్చింది, మీరు మంచి అమ్మ కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా చేశారు. యు నో వాట్ మై మామ్ యూస్ టు సే, షీ వాజ్ లైక్ ఇడ్లీ తినకపోతే బుగ్గలు రావు. ఐ యూస్ టు బిలీవ్ ఇట్ సో మచ్ దట్ ఐ యూస్ టు సే పీపుల్, నువ్వు బాగా తింటే నీకు ఇడ్లీలు బాగా తింటే నీకు బుగ్గలు వస్తాయి, సో ఈట్ మోర్ అని. Actually, yeah, Indian moms and their jugads.
ఇడ్లీ యాక్చువల్లీ ప్లెయిన్ ఇడ్లీ కాదు, కానీ ఇడ్లీలో ట్రూ ఎసెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే మనం దాంతో వచ్చే చట్నీ, సాంబార్ దాని మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో
యా. So another interesting question I had when we were just discussing. So Rohini Deepthi is your name.
Yeah.
So what is Rohini Kitki?
కిట్కి యాక్చువల్లీ మా స్టార్టప్. మేము నేను మా హస్బెండ్ యూస్ టు వర్క్ ఇన్ గుర్గావ్ కార్పొరేట్లో పనిచేసేవాళ్ళం అండ్ somehow both of us around the same time we quit our jobs to do something different, to start our own companies. I wanted to do something in design and he wanted to do something in education. So and it was not related at all. It was a mere coincidence that both of us did it around the same time within a 1 month span anamata. So appudu we thought let's join together. నువ్వు ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ తీసుకురా, నేను డిజైన్లో పిచ్చెక్కిస్తా అని చెప్పేసి వీ స్టార్టెడ్ కిట్కీ అనమాట. కిట్కీ ఈజ్ అవర్ కంపెనీ. కిట్కీ యాజ్ యూ నో తెలుగులో ఇట్ మీన్స్ అ విండో. మరి కిట్కీ ఎందుకు దాని పేరు? ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, ఎప్పుడన్నా క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చున్నా, క్లాస్లో కొంచెం బోరింగ్ అనిపించినా ఇట్లా వీ ట్రై టు లుక్ అవుట్. ఎందుకు చూస్తాం? బస్లో ట్రావెల్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా విండో సీట్ కావాలి, ప్లేన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ విండో సీట్ బికాస్ వీ వాంట్ టు లుక్ అవుట్. వీ ఆల్వేస్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ సంథింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ టు హ్యాపెన్ అవుట్ సైడ్, రైట్? వీ వాంటెడ్ టు బీ దట్ విండో ఆఫ్ క్యూరియాసిటీ, హ్యాపీనెస్. That was Kitki.
Interesting.
Yeah,
And
Kitki
that's how you
happened.
became Rohini Kitki.
Yeah, so when Kitki, as I said, when I started on Instagram, I thought personal handle start chedam, and I wanted people to know that this is my personal Kitki. So this is Rohini's Kitki. That's how Rohini's Kitki started.
Nice. So you were just saying మీరు work చేశారు, you were an employee.
Yeah.
Then మీరు startup పెట్టారు, you are your own boss.
Yeah.
You became a parent. Now you're a content creator.
Yeah.
So jumping through all these different professions is not easy, but you make it seem like it's a cakewalk. So how did you manage to do all these different roles? Ante aa jump elaga, and how did you
Right.
kind of blend into it?
So some might think it is very risky, aslinta sudden shifts enti career lo, but I think it boils down to my priorities in life. నేను ఎంప్లాయీగా పనిచేస్తున్నప్పుడు as I said, I wanted to be a designer, but that didn't happen. So I was working as a senior business analyst at a KPO. Akkada I was very well known for PowerPoint presentations.
Design again.
Akkad kuda it reflected so much. So after working for about a year, it was all very nice. I was very happy with the job, but oka opportunity ochindi from a startup where he said, what is it that you really look forward to when you come to office? And I said, I love design, I love art. Do you have any qualification? No. But I think I have a good sense of design. So I showed some of the cards that I made, some of the projects that I made at Pilani, and he was impressed and was like, okay, come tomorrow. You can join as the design lead. I'm like, are you sure? I was the first employee, but amazing 2 years our startup low. It was it grew to a 250 employee company, and later it got acquired by another big company. But when that 2-year phase happened, I'd learned so much. నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని మీడియాలో పనిచేసా, websites, USSD. I worked with all telecoms in the country, designed so many things, and I was like, okay, I think it's time I should start up my own company. అది ఎట్లా అయిందంటే, startup is not easy. Friday nights హైదరాబాద్కి ట్రిప్ వేయటం, మండే మార్నింగ్స్ ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్లైట్ పట్టుకొని వెనక్కి వెళ్ళడం, పేరెంట్స్ని విజిట్ చేయాలంటే లీవ్స్ అప్లై చేయటం. దట్ వాజ్ నాట్ మై కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ. మై ప్రయారిటీస్ వర్ being able to attend every call that my parents give. I should be in a position where I should be able to pick their calls. I should be in a position where I should be able to visit them whenever I wanted, not without permissions. So that was a big motivator for me to quit and start my own company. Then Kitki start ayindi, and it was going well, and Adi happened. Adi got వచ్చేసారు లైఫ్లోకి, and that's when this whole content creation journey started.
And rest is
it's been beautiful.
సో నౌ దట్ ఆది టాపిక్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి, in your videos, there's few cute videos where he even does the voiceover and he
Yeah.
does this occasional appearances.
Right.
So, is he also interested in doing this? Like, పోతే మమ్మ నేను చేస్తా వాయిస్ ఓవర్స్ అంటాడా, ఆర్ ఈజీ లైక్ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు మమ్మ, లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ హిస్
So-
టేక్ ఆన్ దిస్?
సో ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ విత్ అప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో రీల్స్ ఉండేవి కాదు. వీ యూస్ టు డూ ఓన్లీ పోస్ట్. వన్ సింగిల్ ఫోటో నుంచి దే వాజ్ క్యారజల్ 10 photos. సో at that point of time, what I used to do was post my creation, post a picture of him eating it or involving atla. So it started off like that. It was more like documenting, right? Eventually, when reels started, I used to take videos and it moved a step further. And he also got used to the whole process of getting involved in the kitchen. పిల్లలు అంతే కదా, న్యాచురల్గా అమ్మతోనే ఉంటారు. అండ్ ఇట్ కేమ్ వెరీ న్యాచురలీ ఫర్ హిమ్ టు బీ బిసైడ్ మీ వెన్ ఐ వాస్ కుకింగ్ ఫుడ్. ఇడ్లీస్ అనే కాదు, ఏదైనా. సో ఇట్ వాస్ నాట్ వెరీ లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫర్ హిమ్. ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ క్యాండిడ్. Then over time, what I realized is the cyber security, filial security and all, I got a little concerned. So I cut down his video footages and I started recording conversations. And ఏదైతే ఫుడ్ ఆర్ట్ చేస్తానో, the process that we went through, the conversations, అవి వాయిస్ ఓవర్ లాగా ప్లే చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసా, అవాయిడింగ్ హిజ్ videos as much as possible. I was limiting it. I do put even now, but I wanted to be limited eventually, get him out of it. Because what peripotadu, but still want to be a content creator, so I wanted it to be more about what I do, what I make, my creations, and the motivation behind all of this, my son.
Yeah.
So that's where voiceover started. Ala.
Beautiful. So, like you said, motivation behind this or transition is your son, and you obviously enjoy presenting food in
I
a
love
different ways. So, మీరు ఇప్పటివరకు అన్నీ చేసిన వాటిలో మీ సన్ ఫేవరెట్ ఏంటి దట్ హీ వాంట్స్ యూ టు కీప్ డూయింగ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఇడ్లీ కాకుండా?
He loves momos. So I'm not very comfortable paying so much for momos outside, and they're made with maida. So that is something that we make very frequently. Noodles. He loves noodles. So I bought a noodle maker and I started making at home. So I don't do a lot of art with that, but eventually, yes, I want to present that as well in different forms, in fun ways. But otherwise, touch wood, whatever I did or did not or came naturally, Adi is a foodie today. And he loves experimenting. He will not throw tantrums. And he's a planner. I am not a planner, but Adi is. He wakes up, and when he wakes up, I know exactly what he wants for the day because I have the menu decided
gives you the
the
planner
night
ready.
before. Yeah, he goes to sleep telling me what he wants the next day. So it's very easy for me. And Adi, even if I fail to do any of that, he's very flexible. I tell him today is a tough day. Can I do it tomorrow? He's like okay with it.
Sweet,
As long,
sweet boy.
very accommodating, understanding. So that way I'm like very blessed, very lucky, and I must definitely done something very right. So
So let's talk about creativity,
yes,
which is the core of what you did as a designer, core of what you do right now as a content creator.
yes.
సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన వాటిట్లో ఆర్ చేయబోయే వాటిట్లో ఒక రెసిపీ తీసుకొని ఇది రోహిణి కిట్కి స్టాంప్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ ఇట్ మై వే, అలా ఏదైనా ఒక డిష్ ఆర్ రెసిపీ దట్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ ఇట్?
నాది యూఎస్పీ చెప్పాలి అని అంటే 90% ఆఫ్ ద ఫుడ్ ఆర్ట్ దట్ ఐ మేక్ ఈస్ మేడ్ విత్ సింపుల్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ దట్ యుల్ ఫైండ్ ఇన్ ద కిచెన్.
రైట్.
జీలకర్ర, ఆవాలు, seeds, pumpkin seeds or carrots. So, and it should be done within 5 to 10 minutes. So, the whole idea when I moved on to content creation as a serious profession and was giving out something that will benefit others. And too complicated unte, wow, so nice, amazing antar gani, how is it really benefiting others? So that's when I was like, I got to make food art simple, doable. Chudangane, Arey, this is so easy. I also want to try it. I'll make it today. And you know, so many moms, they actually do it, and some of them with their kids, and they share the images back. That effort, just like, it's the most fulfilling feeling in the world. Ante, చేశారు సరే, coming back to share it with me is like one step ahead. It's amazing. It's like,
yeah, circling back to that point, like you said, your followers, మీరు చెప్పింది వినడం చూడడం is different.
right.
But again, అది చేసి they want to connect with you and tell మీరు చెప్పింది నేను చేశాను, you know, having that kind of bond or an engagement or building that community. So how do you see that, having mere followers or having a strong community? Which would you rather prefer and how?
For me, see, content creation is a very disciplined job, and you need a lot of energy, you have to put in a lot of hard work, and you have to put in a lot of thought in the whole thing. And that, for me as a person, is not possible if I don't get appreciation, if I don't see value in it. If I have like 1 million followers, but I get like hardly any comments, it is meaningless for me. Right now, when I post something, people connect, right? People say, Rohini, that one thing which you did, it is so interesting. That twist was good. That flip was good. Very interesting use of carrots.
That nose was good.
Yeah, so that particular feedback, that one-on-one connection boosts you so much. That gives me more energy to, you know, keep doing what I do. Otherwise, I don't think it's easy for me to, you know, come up with new ideas every day. It doesn't. Like, a lot of times, community annar kada, they, as I said, it's about giving back, it's about sharing. When I do something, I do it with an intent to share happiness, smiles, a positive energy pass on cheyalan cheppesi, which I get back. If that is not coming back, I won't have energy to do more, right? So it's a give and a take. It's a very beautiful connection that we form.
Yeah, we can see it from the outside. So మీరు initial days lo, you must have done those 2 or 3 things right for you to have this thriving community. So ante maybe you would have done relatable content, or you would have been prompt in replying to their mails, or so whatever those 2-3 minute things, chinna chinnavi meer chesindi is helping you now. So what are those things that you did?
When I call your name, Priya, మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పారు కదా, you become alert.
Yeah.
You listen. And when I just say మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పారు కదా, there's a difference.
Yeah.
So that was one thing I used to follow on social media. Whenever someone used to address me or drop a comment, I used to go back. Handle పేరులో name ఉండదు. I used to go back, check their name, come back, reply back with the name. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Dipali. That one thing, I think I followed. It was like my rule that I have to do this. ఒకవేళ హార్ట్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తే I drop back a heart. But over time ఏమవుతుందంటే the comments used to be 50-60 comments. Now it's like hundreds of comments, right? So energy లేనప్పుడు at least one basic thing that I do is I reply back nicely. But if they take my name, Rohini, I will make sure that I reply back with their name.
Interesting.
So it makes a lot of difference, is my personal thing.
Of course.
And that's how I remember people. That's how they connect. You know, when you take the name, it instant connection untadi. You feel important. You feel nice. I feel nice when someone addresses me with my name. So there's this one trick on Instagram. I don't know if, you know, comment చేసినప్పుడు handle పేరు ఉంటుంది when you reply back. If you do backspace, it goes back to their profile where you can see the name of that person. So it's a shortcut that I follow. I do backspace and I see the name and instantly reply with the name.
Nice.
So it adds on maybe 3-4 extra seconds to each comment, but that is something that I personally believe is very important to me. So yeah.
So 1, making relatable content. 2, always making sure to value the other person by
Yes.
calling by their names.
Yes, because they spared their 1 minute or 30 seconds to watch and give the feedback to you, right? So they made you feel important and nice. give it back.
ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థాట్. సో మీరు ఏదైనా ప్రాసెస్ ఆర్ క్రియేటివిటీ ఒక ఐటమ్ మీరు చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు, యూ హ్యావ్ అ విజన్. సో హౌ డూ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఇట్? డూ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద విజన్? డూ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రెసిపీ ఆర్ వేర్ డస్ ఇట్ స్టార్ట్?
So usually, especially in content creation on social media, it's you start thinking of content with respect to the occasion, the relevance. Like, is it a festival? Is it a birthday? Is it some important day? So you try to create content that is relevant to that. For example, Independence Day. A lot of kids at school will want to take something relevant. A lot of them have competitions for food art and all. So our particular occasion, I need to come up with something. So then you have the colors. You need orange, green, white, orange, white, green, and blue maybe. Now you start from there. I have my colors sorted. Now what is it that I can do? Is it idli or dosa? Or rice or whatever. So, and then because it is done in the morning, it has to be a 5-minute thing. It can't be too
2 hour long.
yeah, it can't be too detailed, too elaborate, because ultimately you need to pack that box and make sure the kids go to
Yeah.
school, right? So alaga sloga, you filter it down. But there are definitely occasions when I want to do something for myself. Like, I really want to put down those 2 hours and create something super detailed and exciting. Like, say for example, recently I did Kathakali idli. It was like 3 idlis stacked together to form the Kathakali. It was very detailed. It had that crown, it had that face and all of that. So occasionally I do that. It's more like showing off. I don't know. Also satisfying my myself. Like, sometimes I want to do something for myself. So those are mostly to display, not for yeah.
But it's not show off when you have talent.
Yeah.
So yeah, right, you have the ideas, you have the theme, you look at the calendar, next aim big days వస్తున్నాయి, దేనికి చేయాలి, you have all
Right.
that. సో మీరు ఒక కాంటెంట్ క్యాలెండర్ లాగా చేసి వీక్లో ఇన్ని డేస్ చేయాలి, ఇలా చేయాలి, అలా చేస్తారా? లేకపోతే వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ గెట్ దట్ క్రియేటివ్, ఇది చేసేద్దామంటే ఈరోజు చేయడం, లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ యూ ఫాలో?
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm very bad at planning. So, like, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, to be honest, but you will see something tomorrow.
ఓకే.
It usually happens before I go to bed. I think of what are the things that I want to happen. Like, sare idli cheddam, aim cheddam. Now I'm doing this series for Children's Day, so I'll see the comments. I'll see what are people asking. Ee series entante I ask my followers to pick a nice character, cartoon character or a fictional character that makes them feel nostalgic, childhood memories avi, and drop it in my comment. And I will try to recreate it. So ఈరోజు టామ్ అండ్ జెర్రీ పోస్ట్ చేసా, టుమారో దెల్ బీ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. దట్ సంథింగ్ అనేది నాకు ఇంకా తెలీదు. I have to figure out tonight, and I will come up. I will do something. That much I know.
So Rohini just allows the creative part of the brain to flow.
It just flows. It happens while I'm doing it also. If you ask me 10 minutes before I started, I might not know the whole thing. As you do it, you see and you improvise it, and ultimately you figure it out. Touch wood, most of the time it worked, okay? So I think, say, if I'm 99% of the times I didn't have to repeat. So yeah, that probably I will take it as a skill. సో మరీ అంత బ్లైండ్గా వెళ్ళను, కొంచెం విజువలైజ్ చేసుకుని ఇనీషియల్ స్టేజెస్లో ఐ యూస్ టు డూ బ్లూ ప్రింట్, ఐ యూస్ టు కాల్ ఇట్. ఐ యూస్ టు డ్రా ఆన్ అ పేపర్ and
as to how it should look.
This is the idli. I'm going to slice it like this, and this is the second idli. This will be this color. I'm going to slice it like this, mix both of them like this. So I used to actually do those blueprints. With experience, probably over time, I don't need blueprints anymore. But for the Kathakali, I had like complicated designs. You have to plan how many idlis, how many colors. You have to make them, right? So you don't want to waste as well. So our wastage cut out cheyadaniki for complicated designs, I do plan it out a little. Yeah.
So this might be a silly question, but అంత ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టి అంత డిజైన్ మంచిగా ప్రెజెంటబుల్గా పెడితే డజంట్ ఇట్ హర్ట్ యూ వెన్ పీపుల్ జస్ట్ డివర్ ఇట్, దాన్ని తినేసేటప్పుడు మొత్తం ఆ డిజైన్ చెదిరిపోతుంది?
No, I think it's letting go as a part of the process, right? You don't want to be too attached to anything, and once you let go, that's when you move on to the next thing. I think it's something that Adi learned at a very young age, when he was like, "This is so beautiful," and then he just ate.
Let me just eat it.
He knows that we can always, do it, recreate it if we want to. So, anukokunda, there are so many things that we learn in this whole process. Ippudu, imagine kids, Adini, when I made the fox idli, I used a single slice of carrot and scooped it out into 3 portions and used 2 mustard seeds, 1 pepper to make a fox. And that was a super viral hit anmata, Instagram lo. Now imagine like the kind of exposure, the kind of thinking, the processing that Adi saw at such a young age. He'll carry it on. Tomorrow, Atlantic projects unna, it is like, okay, I'm giving you 1 carrot. No, I'll give you 1 slice of carrot and this is the batter. Now make something out of it. It's not, it's a very skillful thing. It's something that it's more like training your mind to think that way.
Yeah.
Imagine when these kids grow up, what amazing things they'll do. Like, they will love problems, they'll love challenges, right? Like, I can do it. Ella anedi will figure out, but I will do it. So that's how you start. So, lot of things that you learn. It's not just beautiful idlis. There's a lot of skill, lot of creative thinking that you learn in the process.
That's a beautiful skill to teach. సో ఇందాక మీరు వైరాలిటీ, ఒక వీడియో వైరల్ వెళ్ళిందని. సో వెన్ అ వీడియో సడన్లీ గోస్ వైరల్, మనకి స్పైక్ వస్తుంది, ఫాలోవర్స్ పెరుగుతారు, ఇన్సైట్స్ పెరుగుతాయి, ఆల్ దోస్. బట్ అదర్ డేస్ ఆల్సో యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ కన్సిస్టెంట్ వ్యూస్, ఫాలోవర్స్, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ 2 or 3 metrics that you always give importance to? అంటే ఫాలోవర్స్ పెరిగినా పెరగకపోయినా పర్లేదు, నా వ్యూవర్షిప్ ఉంటే చాలు. సో యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ దోస్ 2-3 things that are very important. సో ఏవి మీరు ఎక్కువ చూస్తారు?
For me, it's the connection. నాకు కమెంట్స్ రాకపోతే నేను చాలా ఫీల్ అవుతా. లైక్స్ 1000 అవని, 2000 అవని, ఎంత అవని, కమెంట్స్ లేకపోతే ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్లెస్ ఫర్ మీ. ఫర్ మీ, ఐ సెడ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు ఫీల్ దట్ కనెక్షన్. That is one thing that I give a lot of importance to. Some reels తెలుసా, ఇది అసలు వైరల్ వెళ్ళిపోద్ది అని పోస్ట్ చేస్తా. There are days when అసలు 10K వెళ్ళడానికి అది చాలా ఆలోచిస్తా. షుడ్ ఐ లైక్ రీపోస్ట్ ఇట్, డిలీట్ చేసి అట్లా. ఐ కీప్ థింకింగ్, బట్ దెన్ ఐ లెట్ గో. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, కమెంట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దే ఆర్ గుడ్ డేస్, దే ఆర్ బ్యాడ్ డేస్. ఇలా సాడ్ ఫీల్ అంటే గుడ్ డే వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎంత వి ఎంజాయ్ కదా, బ్యాడ్ డే అప్పుడు యూ టేక్ ఇట్, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. యూ జస్ట్ మూవ్ ఆన్ అండ్ యా.
నైస్. సో మీవన్నీ ఇట్లా పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ న్యాచురల్ లైటింగ్తో ఒక ఫ్లోలో ఇలా అయిపోతుంది. బిఫోర్ యూ ఈవెన్ రియలైజ్, ఓ అయిపోయిందా, ఇట్స్ డన్ ఆల్రెడీ. సో డిడ్ యూ learn that photography, videography skills, or was it by trial and error? లేకపోతే ఇన్ని వీడియోస్ చేసి అలవాటైందా?
దానికి కూడా ఒక హిస్టరీ ఉంది,
చెప్పండి.
సో ఐ లర్న్ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ కాలేజ్ అనమాట. అక్కడ మై బ్రదర్ గిఫ్టెడ్ మీ అ కెమెరా అండ్ చాలా ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసా. అండ్ వెన్ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ కిట్కీ, మా కంపెనీ, we were running on savings, right? So we needed some pocket money. I started doing candid photography professionally. So I covered weddings, maternity shoots, inka em chesam, baby shoots kuda chesam. So I had like decent experience, and adi kuda before doing that I had lot of experience doing family events and creating videos and all. So that came in very handy, though I shoot a lot more with the phone now, but I understand how a professional camera works and how the lighting should be. So our knowledge undi. So but one thing I try to follow as much as take in all the natural light daytime. So I make sure all the videos. At least I used to make sure all the videos were daytime shot. Recently, I started exploring nighttime shoots, and I'm liking it.
We are liking it as well.
Thank you.
సో కొంచెం సీరియస్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు అఫ్ కోర్స్ దర్ హెస్ బీన్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్స్.
Right.
దర్ హెస్ బీన్ డేస్ వెన్ యూ ఫీల్ లైక్ నేను అసలు ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాను ఇది. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ ఛాలెంజెస్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లోజ్ టు 3-4 years జర్నీ యాజ్ అ కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్?
2020 was when I started.
4 years.
Yeah.
So the challenges you faced or the doubts you had.
So starting it was nice. I was growing. Then I think it was in 21 or 22, around 22 I think. 2022, a lot of creators who started the journey along with me, they started hitting 100K. And I was stuck at 58, 59. It was just not going, okay? And it impacted me. Like, you know, I was doing good content, great quality content, but it was just not going. I was not doing reels at that time. I should have done. So, yeah. So then I started this you're your own competition type low. You know? It's when you compare with your peers, I am not saying don't compare, but do it in a constructive way. Don't let jealousy or, you know, bad feelings get into you, because that will affect your mind and your work. Instead, I'm going to do this ani kasiga. If you start working towards it, there was this hashtag that I started, let's 100K. It didn't happen. I wanted it, everyone hit 100K before like November ఆ టైం కల్లా చాలా మంది అయిపోయింది. డిసెంబర్కి చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా అవ్వాలి. I was still at 80K only. Then I didn't give up. I said, okay guys, it didn't happen, but let's 100K. Kasiga inka, you know, I started posting so much. I worked very hard. I posted 1 reel a day. Every day it was a new concept, good concept. ఎట్లా అంటే 3 o'clockకి నిద్ర లేస్తే నోట్ చేసుకుందాం, మళ్ళీ ఐడియా మర్చిపోతారు, ఆ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్నా. ఇట్ వాజ్ మైండ్ వాజ్ వర్కింగ్ నాన్ స్టాప్. ఐ వాజ్ వాకింగ్, ఐ వాజ్ థింకింగ్, ఐ వాజ్ రైటింగ్, ఐ వాజ్ డ్రాయింగ్, డాక్యుమెంటింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో దట్ ఫేజ్ వాజ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఐ లవ్డ్ దట్ ఛాలెంజ్. అప్పుడు యు నో హౌ ఐ హిట్ 100K? I made this Fox Idli I was talking about.
Yeah, that viral.
Yeah, so this was June kala cheddam anukunna. This was just June. Jan kavaledu, 6 months వెళ్ళిపోయా. I was still at 98 దాకా వచ్చా. And then Fox Idli viral అవటం స్టార్ట్. I posted on a Friday afternoon. Saturday చూస్తే ఇదేంటి బాగా వెళ్తుంది, 100K అయిపోతుంది ఈరోజు అనుకున్నా. Sunday morning, I was in a yoga session. I finished the session and saw I crossed 100K. I'm like, I wanted to document 100K. Identi 102 kelpendi. I don't have the screenshot. But it's okay. This is a better problem to have. And Jeppi, I saw over a span of 2 weeks, I think I gained 35K, 40 followers. And suddenly I was like 135K or something. 144, 145, actually 145 వరకు వెళ్ళినట్టున్నా. And that's when I realized, oh wow, this is how viral thing works. This is great. And then I let it sink in. Like I realized that this can happen any day, irrespective of occasion. Even if you missed posting on Diwali, you missed posting on birthdays, there is always potential on social media, and there can be lot of low days, but you can make your high day. So confidence వచ్చింది నాకు.
All it needs is one reel.
And unfortunately you wouldn't know which that one reel. Timing click అవ్వాలి, content should be great. And but one thing I learned then was the recipe was simple. I used 1 slice of carrot and idli batter. It was simple, it was doable. The number of people who recreated it, you won't believe. I must have got some 50 or 60 people sending it back, saying that we made this. And later, I did a brand collaboration the next year. And the person was introducing me as a content creator who does designer idlis and all. And then he saw my page and I was like, oh, my wife tried this. It was the design head at that company. I was like, my wife tried this Fox Idli. I was like, you're the Fox Idli lady. So I was like, okay. Yes. You know, moments like these, they're just amazing, Aslo. And that also taught me how to take lows. So I realized that low is not the end. You just fight back, you just stick to what you do, and you'll get there eventually.
Amazing story. So I had a separate set of questions, but brand collaborations వచ్చింది కాబట్టి let's talk about that.
Sure.
So 2-3 things I wanted to discuss in this aspect. Let's start with the simple basic ones.
Okay.
ఒక బ్రాండ్ మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తే how do you choose? How do you say, or how do you subtly say no to the brands? They could be good brands, but మీ audience తో మ్యాచ్ అవ్వరు.
It could be very famous brands. అసలు రిజెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు but then you stick to your ethics. That's how you grow.
Yeah, those ethics. What are those?
So, one, will I consume it? Will I give it to my parents? Will I give it to my kids? That is very important. And do I have time to test it if it is a new product? And I genuinely like it, believe it. But if you say you want it within a week, sorry boss, that's not happening. So that also falls under ethics. Because ఏదన్నా సోషల్ మీడియాలో మార్కెట్ చేసినప్పుడు పీపుల్ ఆర్ పుట్టింగ్ దియర్ హార్డ్ ఆన్ మనీ. ఇట్ మైట్ బి 50 రూపీస్, 100 రూపీస్, 1000 రూపీస్, హౌ మచ్ ఎవర్. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హార్డ్ ఆన్ మనీ and they're doing it because they trust me as a content creator, as the person I am.
Yeah.
They respect me. Adi, if it sways, there's no meaning to this job. Then that is where, you know, the influencing part of content creator comes. And along with it comes a lot of responsibility. Chesa koni brands which have sugar and all. But people are like, how can you give this as sugar? Have you not seen it? I'm like, because I personally am okay with this. This is a treat. It's not a regular consumption thing, as I said. So, konni post chesnappudu, even if, you know, people get offended that Rohini, we didn't expect this from you and all, I'm clear. I have clear conscience. So I'm like, I tell them, I understand. It doesn't suit you and you're free to not go for it. But this is something that I personally do. And I'm okay with it. Doesn't mean you have to be okay with it. And whether you give it to would you give it to your own son is the wrong question. It doesn't matter whether I give it to my son or not. What matters is, does it fall under your priorities, your list of criteria? If it doesn't matter whether I give or not. You should not. You should stick to your, you know, rules and whatever. Ethics. So people do end up asking wrong questions sometimes, but it's difficult to explain everyone the thought process that I go through behind, especially food products or supplements. I rarely do because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist. I stay off. Anything interesting which I feel like okay but risk undi, I check with my doctor. And my doctor is very nice. Oksar cheppar kada, no Rohini, he said, don't spoil your name doing this. It was a 2 lakh deal, okay? Multiple reel deal. It's like, okay, doctor.
Okay.
It's okay, doctor. But people don't see all the work, all the research that I do behind taking collaborations, especially food collaborations. And I do get, you know, comments which hurt me. And I try to clear it up as much as possible because I feel my followers are the ones who help me get till where I am. So it's very important. Even if one person gets offended, I can't sleep that night. So I get very disturbed. But then end of the day, sometimes I let go because I know why I did something. And I know the research that I did behind it. So, yeah.
Nice. So, follow-up question for the brands.
Yeah.
సో జనరలీ మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక పెద్ద బ్రాండ్తో చేస్తే మీ ఫాలోవర్స్ అంటే డిడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ అన్ అప్రహెన్షన్ వెన్ యూ టుక్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ బ్రాండ్ కొలాబరేషన్ నా ఆడియన్స్ తీసుకుంటారా ఆర్ నేను మళ్ళీ డబ్బులు తీసుకొని చేస్తున్నా అనుకుంటారా?
Actually, no. If someone points out paid collaboration, I will proudly tell it is a paid collaboration, guys, and I will scream it and put it in bold, guys. Because I worked hard for it. I worked hard day and night, endless days and nights to get where I am, and I'm super proud of what I do, and now this is my full-time job. And I would really appreciate if people, you know, understand that and give the respect that it deserves.
I think there's some of the audience in your followers who'll be proud that అరే ఇన్ని రోజులు కష్టపడింది ఇప్పుడు రోహిణి ఈ బ్రాండ్ తో చేస్తుంది.
There are
I have seen
actually.
when she was 5,000, now she's doing amazing
They
things,
do
right?
DMs వస్తాయి అసలు it's so heart melting. Yeah, of course, there are people who receive it in a very positive way and support me and encourage me. Even if they say, sugar undi, but it's okay. Because they connect with you, they understand me, they know me as a person. It's not like some random viral reel nunchi they don't know and they're dropping, or someone who's not following who trolls. Those things don't affect me. But if someone I know have been interacting on social media says something, it means a lot to me, because they genuinely put out that for me, for my well-being, right? So
Right. సో వన్ లాస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ ఇప్పుడు పాపులర్ ఒపీనియన్
okay.
ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ 100K ఫాలోవర్స్ ఉంది, వీళ్ళు లక్షల్లో సంపాదిస్తారు మంత్కి.
Huh.
సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ పబ్లిక్ జనరలీ థింగ్స్, అండ్ దే డోంట్ సీ వాట్ గోస్ బిహైండ్ ఇట్.
Right.
మీరు ఎడిటింగ్కి ఎంత పెడతారు, బ్రాండ్ డీల్స్ ఎంత మాట్లాడతారు, ఎంత బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ ఉంటుంది, అండ్ వాట్ గోస్ ఇన్ టు ద ఐడియేషన్ ప్రాసెస్, వాట్ కమ్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇట్. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీరు మెట్రిక్స్ చూడడం, మీరు 1 lakh వర్త్ డీల్ చేస్తే దానికి రిలవెంట్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇచ్చారా అని చెప్పుకోవడం. సో దిస్
Yeah.
వాట్ దట్ గోస్ బిహైండ్ ద కెమెరా. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ థాట్స్ ఆన్ దిస్? సమ్ పీపుల్ సే ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ఈజీ.
It is not. One, definitely the hard work, because of which you landed that brand deal, which means a lot. When you agree to a brand, you professionally commit to the brand, saying that you want to genuinely help and you'll give in your 100%. There were days when my son was sick, but I had to do the shoot. There's this whole mom guilt that I was going through, but brand had a deadline, and it's a professional commitment. Sometimes it works out when the dates are flexible, but sometimes it doesn't, and it kills me as a mom to do something like that. Am I doing the right thing? Am I not? Am I using my son? So, but then it's a professional commitment, and you just stick to it. Going behind what goes through in a brand collaboration, one, there's a list of content creators that comes to an agency or the brand, and they shortlist and they pick you. Then there's a whole concept for the campaign, and they'll give you the brief saying that these are the 3 things we want to highlight, and we want your personality in it, we want a food art in it, or we want your son in it, we want your husband in it. So depending on the brand, and you make the script according to those factors. And the script needs to be approved. A lot of times it gets adjusted. Once the script is approved, quickly you have to check the costumes, you have to check the frames which you're going to take. It has to be a clean setting. What is the lighting you're going to use? So all of that there's a checklist that the brand ticks off, and that is when you go to the shoot. And shoot day, touch wood, fingers crossed, hope everything goes well. But there are times when it doesn't.
Yeah.
Right? I said, like, my son could fall sick, or once I had to go through a surgery and I had to postpone it because I had bald patches on my head. I couldn't. I ended up getting 2 more days extra. So things like that happen. And especially with kids when you're shooting, if you start the shoot, by the end of the shoot, you're like drained out, because you don't. Kids chala delicate untaru. You can't exhaust them, you can't stress them, because then you don't get the best out of them. So Adi does one shot and then he's like, I'm tired, I need a break, I'll read a book and come back.
ఓకే.
Light potundi akkada, I have to finish the shoot. Like 2 pages, Adi, and then we can come back. I'm hungry. This is the second shot. So there are 5 more shots. But I try to explain him, how about we finish this and then we all go out and celebrate eating a pizza or something. We'll go out and eat momos, whatever he likes. He's like, okay, it's very understanding. And sometimes it doesn't work. There are times when I cancelled, gave him the day off, and told him that it's a professional commitment and can you do it tomorrow? And he says okay, and we do it the next day. So there's a lot of work that goes on behind a campaign. And after you do all that, if one person puts in a troll comment saying paid collaboration, double HR kabatti emanna chesestaru, no, it's not that. There's a lot that goes behind.
Yeah, and all this happens in 2 to 3 days. They don't give you much time after the shortlist.
As I said, unless I know the brand or the product, I don't take up quick collaborations. I lose out a lot because of that. But say if it is Domino's pizza, which I didn't do till now, I didn't do any pizza brand, I think. But say if it is a pizza, let's not name, then I know I've eaten at the place. I'm like, okay, chill. And it's not, everyone knows it's like junk food. You eat once in a while. But it's like it's a treat that you enjoy. It's family time. So I don't mind doing it. But if it's something that, say, it's a growth drink and it says that, it promises saying that there are ABC things that will happen if you consume this, then I need time to do research on it. I need to check ingredients that go into it or all. I can't do it instantly. There are times I reject saying, like there were these brands which had color additives, which pero chestan, but
We'll beep it.
so very famous brands who make amazing products, but they have color additives. Now I was like, but what is the need to add it? There is no need. The need is for them to market the product saying that it's a chocolatey product, so it has to look dark in the advertisements. But what is the need for the consumer? He doesn't need it. Okay, fine, people, maybe more sales out there. But for the kid, it is zero value. In fact, it could harm. In those minimal quantities, it might not. But my question is, it is not needed. Apart from the visual appearance, there is zero contribution and it could be damaging the kid.
Yes.
So, I take conscious calls, and personally, I also don't like giving that product to my kid. I back off. There are times like that.
Before we wrap this up, just a few thoughts. So, now that people are finally accepting content creation as a career, they are choosing deen nundi ko double vastayi.
Right.
But again, they might be doing it wrong or they might be just starting up. So, me experience lo, what are those 2-3 things that they have to keep in mind for our audience?
Okay. First thing is the content that you're creating about should be your passion, something that gives you joy. Whether it does well or doesn't do well on social media, you should be loving what you do. First important thing. Otherwise, the amount of effort and discipline that content creation needs, it is not easy if you do something that you're not liking. So followers will happen. Just make sure the quality is good. Okay. The second thing, ethics. Once you start getting brand collaborations, it's very tempting and very easy to take up whatever brands come to you, but don't do that. Yours is not a ad page. You're primarily a content creator, and try to promote things that you connect with, brands that you connect with, and morally feel right. You will go a long way, I feel that way. And third thing, sometimes it can be a very dark space, no?
Overwhelming.
Very overwhelming. You see your peers growing up. వాళ్ళ రీల్ వైరల్ అయిపోయింది, మనదేంటి సేమ్ డే సేమ్ టైం ఇట్ డోంట్ డూ వెల్, లోలో ఉంటాం, వాళ్ళకి ఫాలోవర్స్ పెరుగుతున్నారు, నాకేం పెరగట్లేదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్, కంపేర్, బట్ try to make it more constructive in the things that you do than going into a negative spiral. It's not going to help you. What has gone is gone. What you have in your hand right now is fighting back, creating more content, good content, and that's an opportunity that you would want to make the most of than sitting and crying about what happened already, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That applies in life, that applies here
Applies
as well.
everywhere. Yes.
So one interesting thing you said when we were talking before, you are a creator first and influencer next.
Yes.
So I just wanted to bring this up to the audience.
So, I do sometimes get offended when people introduce me as she's Rohini, she's an influencer. So, I think we are primarily content creators. The reason why we are on social media is to share what we love doing and show our talent, show our skills, spread the possibility, give something that is meaningful to the society. That is the primary goal. What happens as a sidekick or whatever,
Is
add
the
onto it, is the influencing part. If you think about it, every person is an influencer. Your mom is an influencer, your sister is an influencer, your friend is an influencer. You yourself are an influencer, irrespective of your presence on social media or not. So, influencer is not the right word according to me. Influencing happens as a part of content creation. Yeah.
Sorry, you're a creator first.
Yeah, we are creators first.
So, like I said, we are also a tech company that does a lot of analytics.
Yeah, we missed that. Sorry.
Yeah.
అసలు స్టార్ బస్ గురించి చెప్పలేదు కదా.
It's okay. So we have reports on the influencers that will help you. మీకు ఒక డీపర్ డైవ్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఆడియన్స్
Right.
మీద వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఎలాంటి కాంటెంట్ కావాలి అని. So we kind of have your report and would like to see it and like to know your thoughts on it.
Is this like an all-time report or the past few months?
Past few months.
Ouch. As I said, there are highs and lows.
No, but we collect your lifetime data. ఇప్పటి వరకు
Okay.
మీకు ఎంత వచ్చింది దాన్ని
Yeah.
బట్టి we calculate your engagement rate, మీ audience ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళ
Yeah.
interests ఏంటి, all these things.
Right.
That will of course help you with the brands and help
Yes.
you better understand your audience. So we just kind of wanted to show you that. And
Do you get to know if they are fake followers?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
That is
that
our
would be
biggest
super
thing.
helpful for brands, right?
Yeah. And you as well, because you sometimes don't know the people that are following you.
Right.
And they could be bots or they could be inactive profiles
Right.
that would be hurting your engagement in some way.
Right.
So having this informed thing in our report that will show you that
So
these
if we
people
remove
are,
them from the list,
Yes.
then we get better engagement.
Yeah.
probably.
So having this kind of knowledge is useful. So yeah.
Okay, I'm curious.
This is your report.
Okay.
So like I was saying, these are your average likes, comments, followers, all the things that you already know.
Oh, wow.
Then we have your audience credibility.
Where is that?
Here.
Oh,
Okay.
it's 75.
I'm trying to
Okay.
explain.
Okay. So my SP score is 86%.
SB is the Starburst score based on
Okay.
your quality.
So
your
let's see what are the
audience.
things
Yes.
that we get to see here. Average likes, followers, engagement, average views, brand safety. It's positive. Likes, comments ratio is good. Audience reachability is 97%. That's it's amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Okay. Estimated post price. I'll refer to that and keep that in mind. Consistency average. Yeah, I know last few months have been average, but I'm going to shoot it up now. Okay. And estimated reach. Oh wow. From 25K to 20.6 million. Yeah, one reel went viral to 26.
See, we know that.
Nice. This is very helpful. So, how do you know about bots and all in this? Yeah.
You can scroll it.
Oh, is it?
Next
Side?
swipe.
Okay. Audience by age. Okay. This Instagram also has, right? Yeah. Audience interest. This is new. I like this. Tells you family, music, jewelry, happiness, design, health, fun. It's a good mix. Audience sentiments. Positive, neutral, negative. Yay, positive wins. Hey, there's no negative. Oh,
That shows your strong
there's
community.
60% positive, 40% neutral. I'm so happy. Audience marital status. Married and single. 40%, 41% singles as well. I thought it was mostly parents, but I'm so happy to see this.
So you have 60% married.
I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy that people actually connect. It means probably for the siblings or nieces, nephews, or just
Maybe
for
just
themselves.
the creative process
creative
that you-
thought
Yeah.
process behind it. This is amazing. Inka, that's it.
Ippatiki that's it.
Very nice. I like this.
It was lovely having you over, Rohini. Thank you so much for coming to S. and sharing your thoughts with our audience.
I thoroughly enjoyed this conversation, and it is a very nice opportunity to let others know what goes behind being a content creator and sharing this. So, yeah.